Dear students, today will study the change of states of matter. We can change the state of matter by two means. First one, by changing pressure. Second one, by changing temperature. Simply, changing of states can be understood by using this diagram. When solid is heated, it transforms into liquid. After heating a liquid, we get a gaseous form. Again, when gas is pressed, then liquid is formed. After pressing a liquid, its solid state will obtain. The second diagram, when solid is heated to convert it into liquid, this process is called melting. Formation of gas by heating a liquid is called boiling. By cooling a gas, we can obtain liquid form. This process is called condensation. By cooling down a liquid, we get a solid. This process is called solidification or freezing. Now we come to some points. Melting points. The temperature at which a solid is converted into liquid is called melting point. Boiling point. The temperature at which a liquid is converted into gas by heating it is called boiling point. Freezing point or solidifying point. The temperature at which a liquid is converted into solid by cooling it. Liquefying point or condensation point. The temperature at which a gas is converted into liquid by cooling it is called condensation point or liquefying point. Condensation point, or liquefying point. For water, melting point is 0 degree centigrade, boiling point is 100 degree centigrade, freezing point is 0 degree centigrade. Dear student, consider here melting point and freezing point both will be the same. Boiling point and condensation point both will be the same as 100 degree centigrade. Okay.